In this tutorial, we review the spine tools associated with the Spinal Assessment module. With the images required loaded, choose the Deformity Procedures module, hover over the spine, and choose the planning icon. Select whichever image is of interest and open the X-ray. No templates are shown. Scale the image using a marker if available. Sizing is appropriate. This is an AP image and a marker. In the planning stage, spine tools are shown as a discrete set, although they're also available on the toolbar. Zooming to the area of interest, we can choose from any of the tools for demonstration purposes. First tool is the Centroid. This is used to outline vertebral bodies and find the central weighting of the vertebra. It's also an essential tool if the Nashmo guide is to be used in the wizard set. As with all tools, they can be used as many times as required, and these can also be labelled, and once again that's essential if Nashmo is to be used. So labelling this vertebra and positioning T7 here. If the Nashmo is used in the wizard set, when turned on, it allows the outer edges to be hidden and dotted lines to replace the sides, allowing a better visibility of the pedicle and its rotation through the vertebral body. Then, if needed, a grade can be given, 2 or perhaps 3 in this case. That's then recorded. However, returning to the tools, note another example of using the Centroid tool has been added. The next tool is the vertical line separation, and for example, if the maximum distance between the thoraco and lumbar curvature was required, just drag to outline those points and the distance is shown. This can be labelled and it will then appear in the report. If a tool isn't required, just click on it to select and use the delete key on the keyboard. Another standard tool is the Cobb angle tool, and it can be used anywhere on the spine. Choose a point as needed. Label as needed. Just removing the previously used tools for demonstration purposes. The next tool is the multi-angle Cobb tool. Again, select and then place wherever a Cobb angle is required. Just dragging on down the tool set, and once the final position is achieved, use the escape key or double click on the final handle in order to position and end the tool set. Either adjust the handles to the vertebral bodies if needed, or if representation is good as it is, just leave them as they are. It is possible to go back and remove various points, or in fact add additional ones to the line if needed, and then reposition. The next tool is the hook pointer. Choose the hook pointer. If a representation of a hook, for example to show the position of Harrington rods, is needed, just click to display the tool, placing roughly where the hook should go, and then use the central handle to create the curvature of a hook and position wherever needed. The whole tool can then be moved around by clicking on it. It can also be labelled by right-clicking and saying label and over-typing as needed. The final tool in the tool set is the total length tool. Wherever a total length is needed, this will add together any individual outlined sections, giving a total overall length of the area defined. Escape or double click to end, and it's possible to go back and either remove or add when you see the positive and then reposition. That ends the short tutorial on the spinal tools. Of course, anything can be saved or committed as normal.